Hi, we are looking at the question number 17 of chemical bonding and structure of IB Diploma Chemistry HL. The link for this question has been provided in the description, so please do visit. So let's look into this question. How many atoms in each carbon directly bonded to it in these allotropes? So what is meant by allotrope? As you know, allotropes are basically different structural form of the element. So as we know, in carbon, there are three typical forms. One is diamond, then second is a graphite, another one is a C60 fullerene. So let's look into the structure, how they are bonded. As everyone knows that diamond is one of the hardest substance in this earth. And why it gets its strength? Because of its unique kind of a bonding. It is basically tetrahedral bonding with other carbons. Okay, sorry. So each carbon atom is getting tetrahedrally bonded to 4 other carbons. So with this, we can clearly strike out A because it was given as 3. So this is out. So let's look into now the next one, that is a graphite. So graphite, interestingly, how it is like a honeycomb structure. Like a honeycomb. So each carbon atom is connected to 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So there is a directly, it is connected to 3 other carbon. So it means we can look into this, that there's a layered kind of a structure connected to 3. And what about the fullerene? Fullerene is like a Buckminster ball. And again, as per the knowledge, it's very difficult to draw that structure. But it is connected, again, the carbon is connected to 3 other carbon atoms. So the correct option is 433. So that is B. Simple. Okay. Hope it is quite clear to you. In case you are interested in looking into similar kind of interesting questions, please do visit our website, leadib.com. The link has been given in the description. Thank you.